Hey Simply Bakers, today on Simply Bakings, I'll be sharing with you a keto cookies using coconut flour. The flavor is chocolate chips. These are really delicious. I know you guys will love them, and it's foolproof. Let's begin. So these are the ingredients you will need for this recipe. In a small bowl, you're going to mix the coconut flour and some baking soda and salt. Salt is optional. And you're just going to take a whisk and you're going to mix it until it is well combined. Once you are done, take this bowl and set it aside. In another bowl, you're going to add all the wet ingredients, which is the butter. This is unsalted butter. I softened in the microwave. And then the coconut sugar. And you're going to take your your handheld mixer, and you're going to mix until it is light and fluffy. So next, you're just going to push the batter towards the center, and then you're going to take your eggs and vanilla extract, add it to the bowl, and continue mixing. If you don't have a handheld mixer, that's all right. You can just use a wooden spoon and just make sure you really mix everything very well. So once everything is combined, just know that the batter might be a little bit darker than what you expect when you create or make cookie dough. Anyway, so you're going to add the dry ingredients and continue mixing. Also, something to note, the cookie batter will be a lot more wet. It's not like your typical cookie dough, okay? Just keep that in mind. Next, then you're going to add the vegan chocolate chips. I use mini vegan chocolate chips. These are by far the best ones I've tasted. I love this brand. I will link them in the description box. Finally, you're going to place the cookie dough onto a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper or a baking mat. And then I use my ever faithful cookie scooper. This has served me very well, and it is still serving me very well. Now make sure to flatten the cookie. You can use the tips of your finger like I was doing, or you can use the palm of your hand. And if you don't do this, the cookies will stay round. Next, you're going to bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes. And then allow it to sit for about 2 more minutes on the cookie sheet, and then transfer it over to a cookie rack. So this recipe was my first time to actually bake with coconut flour. And if you guys want to see more keto recipes or keto desserts, let me know in the comments. And these tasted amazing. My friends were like, is this store-bought? But it wasn't, homemade. And these were chewy and a little bit cakey, but I loved it. And this will not be my last time baking with coconut flour. Give it a try, guys. And if you do, tag me at Simply Bakings. And I hope to see you soon. Or actually, I'll see you next week. Bye, guys.